tell me, Aisha, I want to start with you. आपके पहली impression of him is what?
Oh, पहले impression.
This is like long time ago, right?
This is a long time ago. I think I had just turned 18.
So he was obviously already in his in the beginning of his
He was
2 decades he has been dating
he was
already.
acing.
by
मतलब
then.
ऐसा होता था कि आयुष अगर किसी एड ऑडिशन में बैठा हुआ है तो लिटरली माय अदर गाय फ्रेंड्स वो अंदर जाते थे देखते थे अरे ये आयुष है एड तो उसको ही मिलनी है. They would leave. They wouldn't even give auditions at that time. That was the case.
Serious? That's not true.
I've told you
Ayush
this
is
before.
the male goat of ads in
Yeah.
India.
Fully.
Like I don't do ads now, but I'm just hey guys, what's up?
पर सब तो बेच दिया भाई.
इसलिए बाकी लोगों की जिंदगी चल रही है, चलने दो.
So we were shooting in Bangkok for a commercial, and I really
This
liked
is the
him.
first time you met him.
Yeah,
This is the
this is
first time I met him, yeah.
This is
But
the first time.
मतलब you met him like in Bangkok or like
In
on the
Bangkok.
flight type?
Like we were just like taking off. We're a bunch of I think
10,
10
11
people who were going there to shoot an ad, and that's where I met Aisha.
तो
and-
बाकी सबसे तो I spoke and 18-year-old, lot of energy and all of that. तो
हाँ.
सबसे दोस्ती हो गई थी. आयुष और हमारी और आयुष बहुत सैड था क्योंकि इसकी आशना से लड़ाई हो रही थी at that time और हम सब बैठ के कंसोल कर रहे कि
20
नहीं,
सालों में
नहीं.
एक बार हो जाती है
correct,
लड़ाई.
correct,
It's okay.
correct. तब मैं 18, आयशा 18 की थी तो मैं कितना था तभी? Like round about 20, 23, 20, something like that. Yeah.
So and we all sitting and consoling him and all. And that's it. Very nice shoot. सब वापस आ गए.
What are your requirements when it comes to a guy who has to date your daughter?
My God, बहुत आगे
देखो
पहुंच
ऐसा
गए.
है.
Like imagine being in a situation like because you've chilled around a little bit before
Yeah, I can only pray to the good Lord that
हाँ.
that she achieves as much as this woman has achieved, you know.
अरे
And ताकि वही बोल रहे हैं ना, लड़का ढूंढना मुश्किल हो रहा है कि कौन आके हम ये वो जब मैंने कोई recommend किया, she was like, Apar, are you mad? Can you like imagine?
I remember what Didi said to you. You remember?
say.
That was a little adult.
Say it. What do you mean?
पहले तो I was like,
It's an adult show.
you know,
You can f around as much. I'm saying
Oh God.
shit. You know, Neeti Didi is like this very perfect goddess
Yeah, I've met
in our
her, yeah,
family.
yeah.
She'll never say anything, you know,
Wrong.
inappropriate.
Inappropriate,
She'll
yeah.
always be like, you know, this very perfect person. And then he's going on recommending this person very highly. You should go out. He's doing this. He's doing that. He's nice. Amazing person. Blah, blah, blah. So I don't know how to say it. And then my sister just go. I can't say it.
well,
Let me say it then.
say it. Just say it.
So she was like, पारी यार, मैं
हाँ.
समझ रही हूँ कि वो तेरा दोस्त है ना? और शक्ति भी तेरे दिल की बहुत करीब है. You want to, you know, people you love to be together.
Yeah.
But please try and understand, you know, Shakti has been a dancer for so many years.
हाँ.
उनके सारे चक्रास खुले हुए हैं.
एक अजीब फैन मिला था तो सो वी वर वॉकिंग और वो मेरे बाजू से ही चल रहा था. बहुत 2 मिनट से चल रहा था. मैंने देखा भी उसको. फिर अचानक बोलता है मैंने सुना वो ठीक है. और मेरे साथ श्रवण भी था और एक दोस्त था. मैंने ऐसे देखा सौरभ गाड़गे
हाँ.
फॉलो करता हूँ मैं. बोला अरे थैंक्स भाई थैंक्स. तो मैं वापस थोड़ा आगे चला गया और फिर वापस आया. मेरे पास ना एक्चुअली फोन नहीं है अभी वरना मैं फोटो ले लेता. बोला अरे चले इट्स ओके. मैं बोला ठीक है ओके. देन नहीं वो मेरा फोन एक्चुअली टूट गया. ही वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग मतलब जो मुझे नहीं सुनना वो भी एक्सप्लेन. फिर बाद में वो बोला एक्चुअली मैं मीमर हूँ सो मुझे समझा ही इज ट्राइंग टू बी कूल डैंक ऐसा वो ट्राई कर रहा था.
I love when like people come to you and they only follow you and all of this. Like, my girlfriend really likes you.
अरे
You know, let's click a
girlfriend
photo for her. This will make her happy.
उससे
Like,
भी
great.
उससे भी और एक थोड़ा सा डिसरिस्पेक्टफुल लगता है वो. मेरे जिम में एक जन मिला मुझे.
हाँ.
नील ना यू मेक वीडियोस. हाँ हाँ हाँ. एक्चुअली मैं सौरभ का फैन हूँ. उसके वो जो ही स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट सौरभ वीडियोस. आई वाज लाइक हाँ ठीक है आई एम फाइन
Yeah.
बट व्हाई आर यू टेलिंग मी दैट यू आर हिज
Yeah.
फैन. ओके ना
Yeah.
you watch my videos and then you say you're Saurabh
Yeah.
fan. Okay. So what should I do if you're Saurabh fan? Should we
But
not
you know-
talk?
Yeah, आप दोनों, you were a part of a reality show called Hustle, but in your season you did not win. Yeah. But then you went back on the next season where you were in it as a contestant, and you were a judge in it, and you didn't win your season either. But losers. What a beautiful combination. Thank you. ऐसे हमने चुना. But you guys from both the seasons are the most popular breakout performances of those seasons. How has this happened? How did you not win the show? And also now looking back, considering you guys have been doing so well, what is the fuck up in this decision making?
I think we are good for the masses, but not for the show. एक लेवल पर आकर basically, क्योंकि हर शो का एक टर्म्स एंड कंडीशन होता है, नो रूल्स होते हैं, सारी चीजें होती हैं, एंड जो उस चीज पे ज्यादा खरा उतर जाता है ज्यादा अच्छे से, वो जीत जाता है. अब शायद इसके केस में और मेरे केस में वही था कि शायद हम खरे नहीं उतरे, हम हमारी वाइब में कुछ रहते हैं और चीजें हम अपने हिसाब से चीजें कुछ करना पसंद करते हैं. तो आई थिंक वो चीज लोगों को बहुत रिलेट कर गई, एंड देन शो के उस पिरामिड स्ट्रक्चर के हिसाब से ठीक नहीं थी, बट देन शो ने हमें बहुत हेल्प करी, एंड देन फिर हमने वो चीज जाके आगे करी. तो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीजन. ये बहुत अच्छे तरीके से मैंने एक्सप्लेन करा है. तुम कैसे करना चाहोगी?
But Srushti, last year, 2022 is when literally every single song that you were uploading was going viral. मैं नहीं तो Conway is at 99 million and counting as of yesterday, and your तू आके देख ली is at 386 million and counting.
मैंने चेक नहीं करा.
What are these numbers? What kind of a child were you?
So I was always a bratty one, but I never got caught. Like, let's put it like
Oh,
that. I would
really?
always do the fun and the musti and the whatever. But I would,
What was the most rebellious thing that you've done? I feel like you've done shit, Huma.
Of course I have.
See? Tell.
Because मैं दिल्ली से हूँ ना, मैं हिंदी में बात करती हूँ, देख. There you go. मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, तो
हम भी try करेंगे.
दिल्ली में क्या होता है कि you have to sort of, you have to hold your own. Otherwise, बड़ा easy होता है for you to get swept away in that.
Yeah, and you can get bullied very
And you
easily.
can bully very easily. So I still remember, and I used to be like a boy, like it's just like a guy, and like my oversized t-shirts and like.
Okay, हाँ.
मैं S block से थी, तो हम M block market GK1, which is the most popular market, वहाँ पे हम लोग गेड़ी मार रहे थे. गेड़ी is
I
like very
love this
Delhi
word,
thing.
गेड़ी,
Yeah.
गेड़ी. I love
तो
it.
हम गेड़ी मार रहे थे, and
Do you know what that is,
एक बंदा
Krishna?
आया.
She doesn't know. Please tell.
गेड़ी is like you hang out with your friends.
Ah, okay.
But like, and you walk around, or if you have a car, then you drive around.
Okay.
So, हम लोग गेड़ी मारते थे मगर पैदल. तो we were walking around
Okay,
this
got it.
Like basically
M block
moving
market.
around and hanging out at the
Yeah,
same
just
time.
hang out and
Yeah.
just like window shopping and somebody got a coffee and like whatever.
Yeah.
तो हम गेड़ी मार रहे थे और एक बंदा आया और उस बंदे ने, मतलब मैं पीछे थी और मेरे सामने दोस्त चल रही थी, उसको उसने कुछ बोला, कुछ घटिया सी बात बोली.
okay.
वो रिपीट नहीं कर सकते.
हाँ.
अच्छा, 2-3 लड़के थे हमारे साथ, तो दे वर लाइक, अरे तूने कैसे बोल दिया, they were doing this whole एक वो माचो.
हाँ.
मैं ऐसे
तू जानता नहीं है type.
हाँ, तू जानता नहीं है, ऐसे कैसे बोल दिया बंदी को. और मैं ऐसे देख रही हूँ, मैं गई, मैंने पिच करके उसे मारा और मैं भाग गई. So the guys are like, हाँ देखा, ऐसे नहीं करना चाहिए. And I ran away.
What trauma did you cause your family?
The world at large.
I had my phases, but I'd say like 15 to 18, you know, that those teenage years, I was a little bit of a rebel without a cause. You know, I was
Without a cause.
I was exploring and experimenting, but now I honestly can say I've been there, done that. You know, so I'm
Yeah.
so settled. I'll never look back and be like, oh, what if? Or, you know, how would that have been like?
Yeah.
I've done it all. So I think I was able to settle at a much quicker age. And I think I'm just...
Yeah, I agree. I met you at towards the last 2 years of your Rebel Without a
Yes,
Cause. Yeah.
exactly.
Buy Invite Only का नया सीजन अवेलेबल है Amazon Mini TV पर, जो है आपके Amazon शॉपिंग ऐप पे बिल्कुल फ्री.